Okay, a bit of an update on the observatory build. Because money's a little bit on the tight side, I've decided to upcycle this old 8x6 shed. I also like the idea of recycling it, so I'll be taking this old shed and I'll be placing it over here. As you can see, I've got a pier in the ground now. Cleared the ground, flattened it out. I've dug a hole. I mean, I'll show you some footage of this step by step, but I've dug about a 14-inch cube hole, filled it with rebar and postcrete, and popped a drainage pipe in there that's 110 mil across, and that's going to be filled tomorrow with some more postcrete and some rebar. Behind the shed, the previous owners have just left a big pile of featherboards, so what I'll be able to do is I'll be able to replace these windows and just go across with featherboard, so the windows will be gone. Inside the shed, the floor is absolutely rotten. These are the old pier plates from my old observatory. Drop that down with some bolts on top of the pier over there, and then there'll be some bolts coming up through there, through this plate, and then through that central bolt I'll be able to attach the mount. The bottom of the door's basically rotten too, so I'm going to cut across there, drop this door down, and then put a new bit of featherboard across there. So you'll have to duck when you go in, but we'll have this nice sort of structure all the way across that I'll be able to reinforce, and then separate from the walls I'll be able to slide it off onto brackets using some rails, and I think that'll work nicely because the height of the side walls is about 5'6", so it's actually quite a good height, because it means I can actually get over the top of the walls to look out. And then I'll just need to choose some flooring. It doesn't need to be too hardcore, because obviously I've got a separate pier now, so it doesn't matter if it's a bit springy. There's going to be no vibrations with the pier there anyway, so it's all good.